What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you how to change it from day to night and night to day in Hogwarts Legacy. Some of the missions are time sensitive, so you'll need to start them at a certain time, and it's especially useful when you're trying to sneak around and pick up moon geysers, I think they're called. Anyways, to change it from day to night, simply hit M to open up your map, or whatever the map key is on your console, and in the bottom right, you'll see different keys. The one we're looking for is wait. On PC, it's F. Simply hit F and accept this, and when you do so, it'll change from day to night, just like that, and all of the night time-sensitive quests and things are now available. To change it back to daytime, simply hit M once more, F on PC for wait, and enter. Now, from nighttime, it'll go back to daytime, just like that. So, thank you for watching, mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!